Okay, Kamala bought a bracelet at original cost of $20 to sell in her handicraft store. The markup was 25% based on the selling price. All right, find the selling price. Now we know that the selling price is equal to the cost plus the markup. The cost is $20, which is what we have up here, original cost of $20. But the markup is based on the selling price, and we do not yet know what is the selling price, but we do know it is 25% of the selling price, the markup that is. So the markup would be 0.25 times S. Now we insert these values into this formula that says the selling price is equal to the cost plus the markup. So the selling price represented by uppercase S is equal to $20, which is the cost, plus 0.25 S. Now if we rearrange this formula and bring this 0.25 S to the left side, we get S minus 0.25 S is equal to 20. Now we can also, if we wish to make things a bit simpler, we could factor out the S and say it's 1 minus 0.25. And that is equal to $20, correct? And that in turn would give us that S times 0.75 is equal to $20, or as we can see right here, it's 0.75 S is equal to 20. So S would be 20 divided by 0.75. And this would be, that should be rounded. So let's correct that. Round it to 2 decimal places would give us 26.67. So let's go now and do it, well, do it slowly. We could go 1 minus 0.25, which is this part right here. Okay, so that gives us the 0.75 times S. And then now when we're dividing by this 0.75, as I said previously, we are dividing so we can use the 1 over x and we can multiply by 20. And that will give us the same answer as if we did the division. Now this is rounded 26.67. Now we could alternatively have done the normal way of dividing 20 by 0.75. And that would give us the same answer, 26.67. So that would be the selling price. Now find the amount of markup. Now the markup is what? The markup is 0.25 of the selling price. Now we found the selling price, which is 26.67. We can find the markup. Okay, or we could use this formula, selling price is cost plus markup, insert the selling price of $26.67 into the formula. There is the $20 for the cost, and now we can find the markup. It would be 26.67 minus 20. So if we go to the calculator and we subtract the 20, we get 6.6667. If we round to 2 decimal places, the answer will indeed be 6.67, as we see here. Alternatively, we know that the markup is 0.25S, as we have seen before. So we could take the 0.25 and multiply by the selling price, which is 26.67, and we should get the same answer. So let's do that. We go at 25% or 0.25, whichever way you like to do it. If you put 25%, and then we multiply by the 26.67, which is the selling price. So we multiply by 26.67, And it turns out to be 6.67 if it's rounded to 2 decimal places, correct? So this would be the answer.